And hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and I am finally going to be moving from my room, and this is a bittersweet moment for me that I decided to vlog. So this is my room as you guys know it. I've got my lights there and there. I've got my computer there. I'm just going to turn off my fan here. Yes. So I've got my computer there. I've got my computer here as well. I've got all the boxes of stuff. Some boxes I've already put in here already. So yes, this is my bed. For anybody that's ever been in my room. This is my desk. Thank you, Yoruba accent. This is my monitor, my computer. This is the last time I'll be seeing this view here. This is my TV, my sound bar, controllers I never use because I never game, bread tags because this is what it has taken to get Geekception here. Wall of memories of all the stuff I've done, you know, here in my years in Malaysia. My AC, my light there, camera, which is always on the go, lights, LED lights, the lights there again, huge soft box, my laptop, and just a few miscellaneous things here, the box here. And I am definitely going to miss this room. Lots of memories have been made in this room, lots of friends, lots and lots of memories, and it's a really, like I would say, bittersweet moment for me. And I'm going to start packing everything into these bags, which is like, you've already seen one of that there. So yeah, bittersweet moment. Let's begin packing. So the time is about 3:42 a.m. in the morning now, and I've been packing for about 9 hours, almost 10 hours, I'm not sure. And in case you haven't noticed, I have very running nose right now, hence why my voice is like this. We're moving at 11 o'clock in the morning, which means I have to be up by 9 to wake Taufik and the other guys I'm moving in with, and also get help with all the load. Talking about all the load, so I've pretty much packed right now, but before I show you all the stuff I've packed, I just want to quickly reflect on one thing for a moment. I think the camera is dirty. Let me clean that camera there. Yeah, I think it's better now. So when I came to Malaysia, I came with only this bag. Literally, everything I brought contained in this bag. And you know, packing up right now, as you guys can see, before I started packing up, you know, like there was TV there, there was computer there. Now it's like everything is almost in that direction. So the TV is there, my fridge, my fan, my shirt I'm gonna wear tomorrow, my blanket, everything is basically here right now. And you know, it humbles me to know that, like, I came literally with only that one bag there, and I have all this stuff to move to the new place, which definitely shows me, you know, to be grateful, which shows me that, hey, you know, things will get better, and things have gotten better than before. So I'm going to be sleeping soon, so I can wake up in the morning and I can start packing to the new place. And good morning, guys. I've got my man Hamid here, who is going to be helping me move. So we're just about to move all this stuff downstairs, which is down there. So yes, let's see how all of this goes. It's not something I've been looking forward to, but it's something we have to do because they're literally demolishing this building. So let's get started. Let's get started. So while Hamid is moving stuff for Ben, you can see down there, tiny there. That's all my stuff. Woo. And that is Ben with his stuff there, which is a whole lot lesser because Ben is a much more efficient packer than me here, which is all my stuff, which is here, which is, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. So we are waiting for the truck driver to arrive now, and this is how it looks like after we've moved everything out of the room. So, which feels really weird because I'm not used to having nothing in this place, but literally this place has nothing except what I'm going to drink, and that's basically it. It's been fun in this room and I shall miss it, but yes, bye bye. So waiting. I'm not sure if I'm going to wait here or Ben, are we waiting here? Are we going downstairs? Are we going upstairs? Okay, I'm going to wait here then. So I'm going to be waiting here for the truck driver to arrive, and then we'll move all of this stuff. In case you haven't noticed, I'm sweating upon the fact that it's very hot here in Malaysia. But yes, waiting for the lorry to arrive, or truck, or whatever it is called, and I'm going to have a seat at my desk right here. So the truck is finally here with Mr. Yo, and Ben is arranging all the stuff. So we gotta get all this stuff into there, as well as all this stuff into there as well. And I've got my Andy helper here who is helping Hamid. So I would not have believed it, but we actually managed to move everything, as you guys can see here, into the truck, which is an amazing feat, no less, with Mr. Ben sitting right on the top there. Ben, living for good. Living for good, man. So finally going to be leaving this place, finally going to be getting out of here, and we're going to be getting here on this truck. I mean, I'm not going to be going on this truck, these guys are going on the truck, but yes, we shall be moving. So just tying the stuff up. Hamid? What? So yes, so those are my friend up there, as you can see. The amazing service staff here saying goodbye, and the truck is leaving. I am going to the MRT station now because they can only take 2 people, so I'm going to be walking and taking the train. Boss, thank you so much. So yes, I'm going to be meeting them at the place. Boss, thank you. And I've finally gotten here. How's it going? Huh? How's it going? Good. Not that far. And I am now at the new place. It is, as you guys can see, empty. There's nothing inside here because we could only afford a bare bones place. So it's practically empty. So it's got a bathroom there, and I mean, what it lacks in stuff, it makes up for in a view. So at least there's a view of the road down there, as well as some courts and some other stuff. So yep, this is the new place. Now I gotta move all the stuff. So I got Hamid, I got Tawfiq, I got Mama Ben, and we have all our stuff here. All the stuff here. And okay. You're buying us food? I'm not buying you food, no. You're buying me food. And we've got all the stuff here. This house is empty. As it's gonna be full soon. The politicians head in Nigeria. You didn't hear him say that. So we've got all the stuff here. This is what I'm going to use to make videos. It's still in the box. I have no idea I'm going to get it out. Keep on the box. Like half the space. So, damn, sunlight, man. We have no curtains. She says she curtains for cheap. Huh? She says she curtains if you want. Oh, okay. That's nice, man. Perfect. So, it's our new place. Some adult shit right here. Like some legit adult shit right here. Where's the pool? Where's the pool? Yeah? Oh, okay. Cool, man. We can actually work out now. Yeah. Damn. No excuse, right? No excuse not to work out for 6 months, innit? Yeah. Alright, man. This is Ben's. The pool is here.
The pool is there.
You
Yeah,
can dive from here. You can dive from here to the pool.
dolphin, man, in the pool there. Little dolphins.
You can dive from here to the pool.
Bro, this is some adult shit right here, man. Some grown-ass person. Hey, the corridor is nice, man.
It's nice, yeah.
So it's like... It's even got like a little place here. Nice. It's got a nice view. Yo. So let's go get the cards. Oh yes, we have to take a photo as well. Alright. So anyway, so this is all of us. Here, Mr. Hamid. So in our new place, which probably we're going to sleep on the floor tonight. Because we legit have no beds. But it's alright. We're going to get there step by step, isn't it? Step by step. So the first step is getting the place, which is the hardest.
Yeah, we survived.
We survived.
We moved.
That's the most important thing.
Long time.
After a long time, man. So,
4 years.
yeah, man. 4 years, man. 4 years. What is wrong?
You guys are old. Old motherfuckers.
And you are young. Alright,
proud to
man.
be
Alright, we're going to go to the management office now to go get our residency cards, and we shall go to eat, I think.
Yeah,
That's basically it. So it's basically us setting up and getting everything out of its bags. And Ben is not even sleeping with us tonight. He's like,
I'm going back to my shithole.
he's like, fuck
I
it,
stay here, man.
so that's it, man. That's been the vlog.
Heading out on them, man.
Hope you guys.
I'm back next series.
Hope you guys enjoyed this movie thing. It has been very stressful for us. Legit stressful.
I know.
Like,
even the last moment we are like.
last moment we are still. No, you are still.
I wanted to control and getting everything you pay for.
Started panicking, but it's okay, man. It's okay. So that's it.
That's it, yeah.
You guys want to say anything?
We see you on the next vlog.
On the next vlog, right? Whenever that is. And we have a place now, so we actually legit have a studio space. You know, like there's a lot of big space, white space here.
Better videos coming up.
Better videos coming up, and we are still dark. The heck, man. Better videos coming up, right? Okay, so that's basically this been a wrap. Ben is already like tired of our shit.
Yeah, let's go buy me food, man.
Let's go him buy me food. So
fuck you.